According to Wikipedia, computer programming is the process that leads from an original formulation of a computer problem to executable computer programs. This kind of definition can be scary hearing it for the first time. Let us try to break it down a bit. Programming involves activities such as analyzing, developing an understanding, and communicating with the computer. In other words, programming is all about giving instructions to the computer in the language they understand. Talking about the language, you can hear and make meaning from what I am saying to you now because I am communicating to you in English. How about I use another language? Nigbawoni. You will only be able to interpret this if you understand the Yoruba language of an ethnic group in Nigeria. If you want to be a programmer, you need to learn how to communicate with these computers. Naturally, computers cannot perform any task without explicit instructions. It will be your job to give them such instructions. Occasionally, when we write codes, we give instructions as individuals, telling the computer what we intend to achieve in every state of our project. As a result, the computer needs a step-by-step instructions on where the action should happen and what place. For our code to run successfully, these commands run in several places: the system memory, hard drives, network cables, CPU, etc. As you can see, the entire process is a robust world on its own, made up of several subsets. Another way to look at programming is expressions. Programming is the way of expressing our intentions to the world. For instance, if I intend to sell shoes online, all I need to do is to express to the computer through the language it understands how I want people to perceive and interact with the product. I would like to display the shoe colors, sizes, and how I want people to purchase. This process is what we call user journey. They are all within the scope of programming. When next you're thinking about programming, think of it just like the processes you would need to make a cup of coffee. To make a cup of coffee, you need a cup, spoon, kettle with hot water, and a tea bag. Next, you will need to confirm if the cup is neat. If not, you rinse it. When you have clean cup, you can then proceed with the remaining steps. Programming works the same way with the coffee cup analogy. Think of what you want the computer to do, break it down into smaller tasks, run everything together, and the computer will execute the instructions for you. In the next video, I'll be introducing you to Python programming language.